what do you do when you're at home and you get very cold? I reach for a blanket. But you can't reach for just any blanket. It's got to be the right one. It can't be too thick, too thin. You'll be too hot or too cold. This is actually very much like Earth's atmosphere. Our atmosphere is actually what keeps Earth habitable. It keeps us at the right temperature to support liquid water, which, as we know, is critical to life. If our blanket was too thick, that is to say, it was stuffed with too much carbon dioxide, we would be way too hot and look a lot more like Venus, on which you could melt lead on the surface. If our blanket was too thin, we'd be a lot more like Mars. We'd be way too cold. It would be like pulling a sheet over yourself sitting outside in the middle of winter. It just wouldn't work. Now, our blanket's obviously seen some hard times. It's had some tough love. We've got holes here in the ozone layer. We're actually pumping it full of our own stuffing right now. So, as such, our atmosphere is making us warmer. This is no accident. This is purely because of what we are doing to our atmosphere. We are filling it with more carbon dioxide than it can deal with on a short time scale. This, in turn, makes us far too warm. So, what we need to do is take much better care of our blanket, of our atmosphere, because it is what keeps us at the right temperature for our own existence. Now, it may be that our atmosphere is not meant for us. We could just be a small step in the evolution of some greater form of life eventually here on Earth. But that's beside the point. Right now, this atmosphere, despite all of its flaws, all of its imperfections, everything that we have done to it is ours. And that's what makes it special. Thank you.